submission of all complete documentary requirements. Pero again, it's conditioned on whether or not those documentary requirements have in fact been submitted to DAR. But since some of those documentary requirements involve other offices and departments of government, ganun din. Kung gaano kabilis ang DAR, dapat ganun din kabilis yung mga departments and agencies na yan. That's why we need the whole of government approach here.
And so, since the President now understands how long the process is, his initial plan, so I just have to go back, may be reconsidered.
It was not discussed. He did not make any pronouncement. Ayoko pangunahan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Joseph?
Sir, I'm just curious, what prompted this, if I can call it an investigation into the process and how slow it is? May mga application ba that the President wants to move and that is not moving?
Siguro, wala namang binanggit during the meeting. I would just surmise that it was brought to his attention. And that is the reason why he wanted to discuss it.
So nothing in particular that was mentioned?
Wala siyang binanggit na any particular case. Generally lang, sinabi niya. And in fact, during the presentation nga ng DAR Secretary, indeed, he gave us a glimpse or a summary of the cases pending or how many cases pending at gaano nakatagal.
Do you have the figure now? Or later na lang, sir?
Later na lang.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, are you willing to, do you welcome other questions?
Sure, yes.
Okay.
If I am competent to answer.
Tuesday?
Hi, sir. Other matter, sir.
Apa.
May guidance po ba si Presidente para dito kay Budget Secretary Benjamin Jokno after na ma-issuehan siya ng subpoena